Good morning, children. Our next topic is we have studied about the updation of a table. After creation, we have studied how to insert data into the table, then how to update a table, and then how to delete the data in a table. Now, those commands that we have studied, that is insert into, then delete and update commands. These three commands comes under DML commands. That is, these commands are used to modify or make any change in the data of a table. But if we want to change the characteristics of a table, that is, if we want to change the column name of a table, or if we want to change the constraints, that is primary key or null allow null constraint, so in such cases we have to use DDL commands. So we have studied create table command, which is a DDL command, then create database, then drop table command, then drop database command. These are all DDL commands because it affects the structure of a database or structure of a table. Now, next type of DDL command is alter table command. So, the alter table command is used to modify the definition of a table by modifying the definition of its columns. The alter table command is used to perform the following operations. So first operation that is performed by alter table command is to add a column to an existing table. That is, to add a column we use alter table command. And we have studied insert into command, which is a DML command, which is used to add a row. Now to add a column we use alter table command. Then next for which the alter table command is used is to rename any existing column. To add a column, then if we have so many columns and if we want to rename the column, then also alter table command is used. Then to change the data type of any column or to modify its size. To change the data type of any column, that is, if we have set the data type as character and we want to change that data type to varchar, then we can use this alter table command. Or if we want to increase or decrease the size of a particular column, then also we can use alter table command. Then to remove or delete a column. To remove a particular column, we use alter table command. Then let us see how we can add a column using alter table command. So once a table is created, new columns can be added to it later. The new column added with null values for the records or rows in the table. So if there are previously certain rows we have added in the table, then if we add a new column, then the values for previously added rows, the values for the new column will be null. So its syntax is alter table name, add. We have to use a keyword add, column name, data type, size. So let us see how to add a column mobile number to a table. So open MySQL, then enter the password. Then open database. For that it is the command use database, use database name. So our database name is school. Then I have to select the table. So write the command show tables. This command will display which all tables are present in the database. So I will open the table employee. So select star from EMP. So EMP is our table name. So our table has been opened. Now we have to see how we will add a column. So the syntax is alter table, table name, that is student, add mobile number, that is column name, space data type, space size. Size is not given, so by default it will take its own size. So let us see how we can add a column. So alter table, table name is EMP, space, I will add a column mobile number. So mob number. So mob number, I'll give underscore mob number space mob number, give integer of 10 digits. So we have 10 mobile numbers have 10 digits, so size will be 10. So alter table EMP, one keyword has to be given, is add mobile number integer its size. So what is the syntax? How we will add a column? That is alter table, table name, add. To add a column we have to give the keyword add, that is alter table, table name, add, column name, data type, size, that is mobile number column should have what kind of data. So it should have integer data of size 10. So we have added a column. Now let us see what is the, so you can see in our table EMP a new column called mobile number has been added. So while previously it didn't had that column mobile number. So what happens is, for all the values that were previously entered before creating the column mobile number, so for those rows the mobile number column will have null values. So for all the rows which were previously created before the column mobile number was added, for such rows it will have, the column will have by default null values. So we can add add a row using insert command. So insert into EMP values. So this is to insert a row. So I will add a row for EMP number as 889, EMP name as Anu, then comma city. For city I will add Chennai, comma, designation, designation as clerk, CLERK. So clerk should be enclosed in single quotes because it is a character, comma, date of joining, date also should be enclosed in single quotes, and it should start with year first, then month, then date, comma, then salary. For salary it is in integers, so it should be given in once more it has to be done. Insert into EMP values in bracket 8889 comma Anu, comma Chennai, comma clerk, comma date of join, that is 1990 2304. Date should also be enclosed in single quotes, then comma, then salary, let it be 4500, then comma commission, let it be 100, comma department ID 20, comma mobile number. Now mobile number 345678 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Date value is incorrect because I have given. Okay, so it is being inserted. Now we can see select star. So after inserting the column, adding a column, then we have to insert the values for that particular column also. So before inserting the column, adding the column, those rows which were there, that rows will have by default value as null value for that particular column. Now let us see the next usage of alter table. So after adding column, we can use the alter table command to add a column with default value. Suppose we are adding a column, then in that particular column, instead of null, we have to specify the particular value should be added. That is, we are giving a specific value. For that, we have to give the command as alter table name add in bracket column name data type space the default value. So let us see how we will write. So alter table student add column name, that is city, then data type, then give the keyword default space what value has to be added to that particular column. So you can see this is the student table. In that, the mobile number column has been added and all the data which were previously there in the student table. For that, for those data, the mobile number column had null value. Then after that, they have added a new column city, and for city, instead of null, they have given a default value, that is Delhi. So all the columns, if we give a default value, then it will be set for all the previously present column. So we can add this default value as same, add mobile number instead of this mobile number. Now let us see when we add another column. Let it be date of status. State is whether currently working or not. So how we will give? Alter table, table name, add column name, that is status, data type is equal to data type, then default space the default value. So data type, its size, then default space its value, that is I will give yes y. And now let us see. So you can see instead of null, for all the column the default value y is being added. If we do not specify y, then null values would have been added, but we have given here default space y. So instead of null, default value, that is y, has been added. Next is to modify an existing column definition. That is, modify clause can be used with alter table command to change the data type, size, constraint related to any column of the table. So in alter table command, instead of add, so add was used to add a column, and to modify the column, that is to modify, make change in the data type, size of the table, we can use, or any other constraint, that is if we want to set it as the add any constraints related to column, we have to use the modify clause. So how can we use that? That is alter table, table name, space, instead of add we have to give the clause modify, then column name, new data type, that is what we have to change, or the new column name, new data type. So alter table, student, modify, data type, column name, data type, its size. So DESC EMP. So describe command is used to show the structure of a table. So the structure of the table shows the different columns in the table, its data type, whether it allows null, then what are the default values. Now if we add by using alter table command, by using the modify clause, by using the modify clause, going to change the data type of status, column. That is, here the data type is what? Care 1. So I'm going to change the data type of status column as where care, and I'm changing its size also to 2. Okay, so after this you can see y is not needed, default value is not needed. DESCENT. Now you can see what happened here. The status, its data type is care 1. Now we have used the modify clause in the alter table command and changed its status as, its data type as where care and size as 2, and its default value is being removed and it's now null. Okay, now next is the usage of alter table command for renaming a column. Now the existing column in a relation, in a table, can be renamed using alter table command. The syntax for renaming an existing column is alter table, table name, change column, that is old column name. You can either write change column or just the keyword change. So change old column name, new column name, then the data type of the new column name and the size of the new column name. So how you have to write? Alter table, table name, space, instead of add and instead of modify you have to write change. So write change space old column name, that is the current column name, space the new column name, that what you are going to give the column the new name. So new column name space data type space its size. So if you are changing the column city name as city and renaming it as state, so you can write as alter table, table name, that is student, change city space state space varchar 10, that is city is the old name, state is the new name and varchar 10 is the data type of the. So you can see here in the old tables, in this table student, the column here is city. Now using the change clause in alter table command, you have renamed this column as state. Now let us see how we can rename a column. Now in alter table command, instead of add we have to use what? Modify. Then I am giving, renaming the column mobile number. So mob underscore no, and I am changing it as telephone number, tel number. So I am changing mobile number and changing it as tel number, and I am changing, while changing the data type, you should see that the previous data, the data type should be greater than, the size should be greater than the previously stored size. Previous size The size should be always greater than or equal to. Okay, because we have already stored data of 10 digits. So we should not decrease the size than 10. Okay, so I am giving here int data type integer 10. Sorry, instead of modify, change. So alter table emp, change old column name, new column name, data type. So it is being changed. Then we can see after DESC, you can see the mobile number column is being renamed as telephone number, tel number. Now select star from EMP, you can see mobile number column is being renamed as tel number. Next is removing a column. Now to remove a column, we use drop close in alter table. That is alter table command, we use drop close. That is alter table name, drop column name. That is alter table student, drop the particular column which you want to delete. That is, if you want to delete state, then the state column will be deleted. Then the command to delete a table. So we know the command to delete a table, that is drop table command. So drop table command is also a DDL command because it will affect the structure of a database or the structure of a table. Okay. So how to delete a table? That is drop table name. That is the entire table will be deleted. But if we use delete from table name, what happens? Table will be there, but the data stored in the table will be deleted. And delete command is a DML command. And drop command is a DDL command. So let us see how to delete a particular column. So how to write the statement? Alter table name, instead of modify, drop column name. So column name, let us delete the column status, status. So let us see, the status column has been deleted. Now let us see how to delete a table. So for deleting a table, we have the command drop. So let us see what are the tables in this database, and I will show you how to delete a table. Show tables. So department EMP student, student 1, student 2. So let us delete this table student 2. Select star from so this much data are there in this table. So let us delete. So how to delete? Drop table student 2. Drop table name. That is drop table name is student 2. So query OK means it is being deleted. Now if we write show tables, you can see Student 2 table is being deleted from our database. School, from our database, student 2 table is being deleted. Okay, thank you children.